Hello everyone, comb your lovely hair and have the middle section at the side, have a ponytail and drop it into its own loop. Do a same ponytail with a section right behind it and continue doing it until you reach the back and have it braided and have it rolled into the top and make it into a curvy band by securing it with a little hairband. If you want, you can decorate with your colorful hair clutcher. Make a ponytail on the top section at the side and have it braided and have it secured to the top temporarily with a section of the hair at the back. Make a ponytail and drop the tail into its own loop and also drop the braid into it as well. With the ponytail we dropped, have it split them into 3 parts and braid it in a thicker manner and fold the braid to the top and secure it there with lovely hair clutcher. Make bunches at the sides with a section of the hair at the bottom, split it into 3 ponytails which are very thin and split that middle one into 2 and have it combined with the cornered ones and have it dropped into the ponytail and braid it and roll it into a bun secured with lovely bun clutcher on either side. Split your hair into 3 sections in a triangular manner like this and have ponytail on the side section and have multiple hairband onto it and have ponytail on the top section and split the back section into 2 and have it braided and apply some hair wax on the ponytail and split the tail into 2 and have it braided as well and scrunch it from the middle making a heart in shape and secure with the hairband and fold the tip to the heart and have another hairband securing it. Interconnect 3 rubber bands together which are of same color and have your hair split them into 2 sections and have a top part of it a ponytail and attach that rubber band to it and have the ponytail connected to another one at the section right behind and continue doing it. Make a ponytail on the top section of the hair and comb your hair and have another section right behind it, have another ponytail behind that and combine them together and split the tail into 3 parts and have it braided with strips of hair going in between which are borrowed from the section of the hair at the back. Continue doing it until you empty every hair in that section and also combine the braid together with the ponytail at the back and have it attached a beautiful rubber band right on top of it. In the bottom section of the hair, make 4 thin braids and the top section of it, have 3 strips of hair and braid it. So borrow accessory hair from either side making the ridges visible. Continue doing it until you empty all the hair in that section. Then after that, stop it at that point, make a ponytail, apply some hair wax and have 2 rubber bands and stretch the middle one and bend the tip over and move it to the top making a bow tie design secure with the rubber band. Make a ponytail in the middle section of the hair and drop it inside its own loop using a hair loop, making a twisted band. Then split the tail into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner with strips of hair borrowed between in the back section, making the ridges visible. Continue doing it until you empty every hair at the back section. Then after that, braid as normal as you would do in a thicker manner even at the bottom of your hair. Then fold the braid into half and have it secured there by dropping a lovely hairband around it. Then choose lovely hair clutcher and drop it on top of the braid. Comb your lovely hair and have a ponytail in the middle section of it, drop it inside its own loop, have another section right behind it and combine the ponytail with the tail we have behind. Then after that, have a ponytail combined with the section of the hair at the bottom, braid it and fold it to the top and secure with a hair clutcher. Split your lovely hair at the back into 2 sections and have it split them into 2 parts in a thicker manner. So do the braiding by borrowing excessive hair at the back side of it, making it go in between the braids gap. Then continue doing the braid and after that, do the braid as normal as you would do and attach multiple rubber bands over it. Split your hair into 2 sections at the back and make a ponytail, split a ponytail into 2 and have each of them into 2 parts and braid it and drop the braids into its own loop and have the left braid come into the right loop and scrunch it to the hair, making a lump and secure it with a little hairband. Then drop in your favorite hair clutcher on the top of your hair. Split your hair into 2 sections in the middle and at the bottom of the middle section make a ponytail and the front of the top section make another ponytail and connect them to each other. Totally make it into 3 and have it braided at the bottom of it and make it curvy by dropping excessive rubber bands with the tips. Thank you everyone for watching this video.